Students, in the last video, perhaps you have seen that how to find the PI, method to find PI. This is a recap of previous video. You have seen whenever a partial differential equation is given of this type, in which there exists a right hand side, it means right hand side. If so, there are so many cases. In that cases, you have learned about the two cases. Case first, when right hand side, that is f of x y, be exponential function a to the power ax plus by. So how to find the pi? Pi was f of d dash f of xy, f of xy. It means that whenever this is all about the recap of the previous videos. So f of d dash, if right hand side be this e to the power ax plus by, so its value is you have seen that d replaced by a, d dash replaced by b. So now this becomes ab e to the power ax plus by. But it is possible only whenever condition is that fab cannot be 0. fab should not be 0. Okay. Now the second case you have learned about this. If this becomes 0, so now perform, this is the special cases. If fab becomes 0, so pi becomes like this: multiply numerator by x and differentiate the denominator by d with respect to d, f dd dash, f dd dash, f of e to the power ax plus by, and after that this value becomes x upon f dash ab e to the power ax plus by. But consider the case whenever this becomes 0. So repeat this process until and unless the denominator fab or f dash ab denominator should not be 0. That is the particular integral for these cases. Now I am going to repeat the second case. The second case was whenever right hand side be the trigonometrical function sin ax plus by or cos ax plus by. Whenever right hand side is of this type, so what should I do? What should you do? So this becomes particular integral is equal to this. So now this becomes f dd dash. This is the function of dd dash, or you can say d dash also be. You can write. So f dd dash d dash. This is square sin ax plus by. Just see here, student. So this is the sin ax plus by. If this denominator becomes like this, and the right hand side be is either it may be sine function of sine trigonometrical function or cos. So you have seen that this d square replaced by minus a square, dd dash replaced by minus ab, and d dash square be minus b square sin ax plus by. You have seen, and you have Just do like this. This is the same case. It is possible only whenever the denominator should not be 0. ये तभी संभव है जब तक कि डिनोमिनेटर नॉट इक्वल टू 0 के बराबर। अगर डिनोमिनेटर 0 होगा फिर उसी प्रोसेस को रिपीट करेंगे, x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, d के रेस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे। सो फॉलो दिस रूल्स, यू विल फाइंड you are able to find a particular integral of the given problem. So now I am going to discuss some other example based upon this. Because of yesterday, as in the last video, you have seen the example which was if the right hand side be the function exponential type, and today I am going to discuss whenever the function is of this type, so what to do. Let us see the example 2 also. There are so many examples and question given. I am going to tell you. Let us consider solve it. आप अपने पास से प्रॉब्लम बना सकते हैं, अपने पास से प्रॉब्लम ले सकते हैं। यहाँ कोई ऐसा मैटर नहीं है, कहीं लिखा नहीं है। आप जो भी पिछला प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए हैं, लेट अस कंसीडर सॉल्व इट। del x square plus 4 del 2z upon del x del y plus 4 del 2z upon del y square, which is equal to sin 2x plus 3y. Let's see here. This is a very simple question. Show how to solve such type of problem. Let us see. First write given that. So now given that the partial differential equation be del 2z upon del x square, del 2z upon del x2 plus 4 del 2z upon del x del y plus 4 del 2z upon del y 2 is equal to sin 2x plus 3. First write down this like this, given that, and then change it into this form. It can be written as 4dd dash plus 4d dash square, taking that as a common, sin 2x plus 3y, sin 2x plus 3y. Okay students, now okay, this is the, let us take it be first equation. So if this be first equation, so to find their solution, as you know in previous lecture you have seen that the complete solution be the CF plus PI. So to find their CF of equation 1, to find CF, the auxiliary equation be what can be obtained by replacing d by m and d dies by 1. You have seen, so now this becomes m square plus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation which can be obtained with the help of equation first. So now the roots of this equation can be obtained by factorization. After factorization, I think this is a case of a plus b whole square, a square plus b 2ab plus b square. So by this way, this implies that the value of m gives minus 2 minus 2. Here, this is the case of this is the second case whenever the roots of the auxiliary equation are real and equal. So this is the case of the roots are real and equal. So the CF will be CF is equal to F1 y minus y plus mx. आप सभी को पता है CF होता है F1 y plus mx plus x F2 y plus m2 x mx. So here the value of m be minus 2. So that's why by put in place of m we will put minus 2. So here y minus 2x plus x f2 y minus 2x. Okay. Now this is the second case, and to find the pi, in the last video you have seen, do like this. To find the particular integral, now pi be 1 upon f dd dash of fxy. So you know very well f dd dash is here b square plus 4 dd dash plus 4 d dash square, and this be sin 2x plus 3y. Here the value of this be 2x plus 3y. So now by the process, just in this video you have seen d square replaced by minus ab. So 1 upon d square replaced by minus a square, d dash replaced by minus ab, and d dash square replaced by minus b square. Is it clear? Okay. Now d square replaced by minus a square becomes minus 2 square plus 4 minus dab 2 into 3. Okay student, plus minus b square minus 3 square. मैं आपको बता दूं, मैं आपको एक ट्रिक बता दूं स्टूडेंट, कभी कभी माइनस 2 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 होल स्क्वायर दोनों में कंफ्यूज होता है और वो गलती कर बैठता है. यहां ये माइनस 2 स्क्वायर बिकम माइनस 4 एंड दिस बिकम 4. सो इट्स वैल्यू इज माइनस 4 नॉट 4. I am clear about so I think you are aware of this example. So minus 2 square becomes 1 upon minus 4 and plus into minus becomes minus 4. 3 to the 6 minus 6 into 4 minus 24, and this becomes minus 9 also. So sin 2x plus 3y. Then after it becomes 1 upon minus 4 9 4 13 or 4 17 1 1 2 3 minus 37 sin 2x plus 3y. This is the pi. This is the third equation. So now combining equation 2 and 3, so the complete solution be CF is equal to CF plus PI. So now CF be you have seen just y minus 2x plus x f2y minus 2x plus PIB like this minus just here minus 1 upon 37 because of here minus, this is minus, So minus taken in numerator also can be taken sine 2x plus 3y. This is the required solution. This is the required solution of equation 1. 1 means जो कुछ भी क्वेश्चन वट एवर गिवन हियर वो इसका सोल्यूशन है। इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस जब कभी भी दिए जाए तो इस तरह से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं। अब हम एक ऐसे एग्जांपल को लेंगे जो थोड़ा दिखने में आसान होगा और थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा क्योंकि वो एक नए तरह का दिखेगा आपको। सो लेट अस सी अनदर एग्जांपल which is example number 3 also, because of in previous video you have seen the example 1, today you have seen example 2, and now I'm going to tell you example 3b. solve del 2z upon del x square minus del 2z upon del x del y is equal to sin x into cos 2y. Sin x into cos 2y. This is not a case of sin x. This is not a case of sin ax plus by. This is given in product form. So think upon it. It is very very simple. I think if you learn in the formula, you know very aware of this formula, sin a into cos b. Sin a into cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. You know this, sin a into cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. ओके, आपने इसे भी पढ़ा होगा। साइन इसे हम दूसरे फॉर्म में पढ़ सकते हैं, उल्टा याद करें तो साइन सी प्लस साइन डी इज इक्वल टू 2 साइन सी प्लस डी बाई 2 इंटू कॉस सी माइनस डी बाई 2. So by this way I think you can solve it. You will solve it. So from here I think sin a plus b is equal to sin a into cos b equal to this. So by the way I am going to tell you solution of this b. Given that given that this is a del 2 z upon del x square minus del 2 z upon del x del y, which is equal to sin x into cos 2y. So from here I think it can be d square minus d dash sin x into cos 2y. This is equation first. Okay students, okay. So now d square minus d dash z equal to sin x into cos 2y. Here you have seen that 2 sin a into cos b equal to this, and in other way just we have told that sin c plus sin d equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into that. So now to make this formula into this form, multiply 2 by numerator and 2 divide 2 by denominator, so it becomes like this. Okay, so now this from here it can be again do like this, 1 by 2, this is a sin x plus 2y plus sin x minus 2y. Thus here क्वेश्चन बहुत छोटा दिख रहा था, पर फार्मूले के अकॉर्डिंग आपने इस फार्मूले, चूंकि आपको ऐसा कोई फार्मूला नहीं बताया गया है जिसके थ्रू आप इसको सॉल्व कर सकें, तो हम इसके फार्मूले को इस फॉर्म में चेंज करके हम इसको दूसरे तरह से इस फार्मूले को भी याद कर रखते हैं। अभी जस्ट मैंने बताया कि साइन सी प्लस साइन डी इक्वल टू 2 साइन सी प्लस डी बाई 2 इंटू कॉस सी माइनस डी बाई 2। इस फार्मूले का भी यूज डायरेक्ट वे में हम कर सकते हैं। ए इक्वल टू सी प्लस, तो हम दिस इक्वल टू दिस लिख रहे हैं, दिस इक्वल टू दिस बाय दिस, ओके, you know very well. So let us take this first, not this first. So the given equation changed to this form. So now the solution can be the CF can be obtained by their auxiliary equation this way. So auxiliary equation be m square minus m equal to 0, because of whenever d replaced by m and d dash replaced by 1, so it gives this in this form. So now from here the solution be like this by taking m common, so m minus 1 equal to 0, so its solution be m equal to 0 and 1. So there are two real and distinct root, and this is here roots are real and distinct. So CF is equal to F1 y plus mx. Y plus mx, it means m is 0, so f1y plus f2y plus m2 be 1 y plus x. So this is the second equation. Now to find the particular integral, let us follow this step. How to find the particular integral of this question? So let us see. Now particular integral is equal to 1 upon d square minus dt dash, and this is a 1 upon 2 sine x plus 2y plus sine x minus 2y. It's okay, student? So now do like this: d square minus dt dash and sine x plus 2y, and write down 1 by 2 1 upon d square minus dt dash by sine x minus 2y. ओके स्टूडेंट, हमने इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. सो फ्रॉम हियर from here 1 by 2, and just you have learned that d square replaced by minus a square. So the coefficient of x be a, here the coefficient of x be 1, so now d square replaced by minus 1 square minus, and d dash replaced by minus ab, so minus 1 into plus, sorry, write down x plus 2y plus again 1 by 2, here minus 1 square minus, again this is minus 1, this is minus minus ab, the value of a is 1 and the value of b is minus 2. So just see student, sine x minus 2y. Just there. So here this is 1 by 2, minus 1 square will be minus 1, and this becomes minus 2, this becomes plus, so this is minus 1 plus 2, because of minus 2 into minus 1 becomes plus 2, plus 2 minus 1, sine x plus 2y, and here for that minus 1, and this is plus 2, and this is minus 2, so this is minus x minus 2y. So now from here 1 by 2, 2 taking common, and now this becomes 1 minus 1 plus 2 becomes 1. Okay, 1. So now this is whole thing becomes 1. This is a sine x plus 2y. And here this is what this be minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So this is a minus 3. So now this be minus 3 sine x minus 2y. Okay, students. So this is the PI. This is equation third. This is equation third. So now combining equation 2 and 3. Show the solution of equation 1b. Complete solution is equal to CF plus PI. So from here CF be F1y plus F2y plus x plus 1 upon 2. This is the CF, and PI be 1 by 2 sine x plus 2y minus 1 by 3 sine x minus 2y. This is the required solution. This is the z equal to f1y plus f2y plus x plus 1 by 2 sine x plus 2y minus 1 by 3 sine x minus 2y. So this is the solution. It is the solution. Let us take, I am going to give you, explain the next example, one more example based upon this. Solve del 2z upon del x square minus 2 del 2z upon del x del y plus del 2z upon del y square, which is equal to sine 2x minus 3y plus e to the power 2y. Just see here, e to the power 2y plus, और भी ले सकते हैं e to the power x minus y. What should I do? Solution will be like this. Solution is of this type. Given that, again write down, change the given equation into D form. Del 2z upon del x square minus 2 del 2z upon del x del y plus del 2z upon del y square. This is equal to sine 2x minus 3y plus e to the power 2y plus e to the power x minus 1. So change this equation into this form: d square minus 2dd dash plus d dash square. Okay, students, which is equal to sine 2x minus 3y plus e to the power 2y plus e to the power x minus 1. This is the first equation. So now the solution of this equation 1b, complete solution will be CF plus PI. CF plus PI. So to find the CF, the auxiliary equation be m square minus 2m plus 1, which is equal to 0. So from here I think after solving, after factorizing it becomes m minus 1 whole square equal to 0. It means that m equal to 1 comma 1 because of a square minus 2ab plus b square. This gives this. So after solving it, m equal to 1 1. So there are two roots here. Roots are real and equal. So CF equal to f1 y plus x plus x f2 y plus x. This is a CF. This is second equation. And how to find the particular integral in this case? So particular integral equal to find the particular integral, let us do like this. Now particular integral equal to 1 upon d square minus 2d dash dd dash minus d dash square. This is equal to, use the bracket, 2x minus 3 plus e to the power 2y plus e to the power x minus 1. Use the bracket like this. So here particular integral equal to 1 upon d square. D square means that first separate it in this form. First write this form this way, plus 1 upon again d square minus 2dd dash plus d dash square e to the power 2y plus 1 upon d square minus 2dd dash plus d dash square into e to the power x minus 1. Do like this. This into this, this into this, this into this. Okay, student? So now by using the case, this is a trigonometrical type form, this is in exponential form. So here, by in case of trigonometry, d square replaced by minus a square minus 2 square. So this is minus 2 square. Minus 2 minus ab, so 2 minus 2 into minus 3. Minus a into b, b is here minus 3. 3y होगा, sorry. This should be 3y. This should be 3y. Okay, student? This should be 3y. So 3 sine and d square replaced by minus a square. So minus a square, it means that minus this becomes 3 square minus a square minus a square d dash square minus a minus b square, sorry, b is minus 3. Okay, so sine 2x minus 3y plus, in this case you have learned that d replaced by a and d dash replaced by b, so the coefficient of a is here 0 because of this is of it is of this form. So in place of a we will put 0x plus 2y. So b, in place of b, this is 2, the value of b is 2, so the d is replaced by a is here 0, so 0 minus 2 into 0 plus 2 square, d dash replaced by b, so e to the power 2y, and again in the next plus 1 upon d replaced by a 1 square minus 2 into 1 into minus 1, this is 2 into a is 1, b is d dash b by replaced by b plus d dash square minus 1 square e to the power x minus 1. Okay student, so I think this is minus 4 and minus this is minus 2 minus 3 minus 3, it becomes 6, 6 2 is 12 minus 12, 3 3 is 9, so 9 minus 9 sine plus 1 upon this becomes 4 e to the power 2i, and this is because of this is 0, this is 0, so 2 to the power 4, 1 square 1 minus minus becomes plus, and this become also plus e to the power x minus 5. So here the particular integral is a 4 to 6 9 15 minus 1 and 1 1 2 minus 25 sine 2x minus 3y, and it should be 4 e to the power 2i plus 1 upon 5, sorry, 2 to the 4, 2 to 4 e to the power x minus 5. This is the equation number 3rd. This is the pi. So now combining these together, CF as well as pi, you will get the complete solution of the given equation first. So now complete solution of equation first be, so complete solution is equal to CF plus pi. So z equal to CF be f1 y plus x plus f2, sorry for that, x because of it is repeated root, y plus x plus pib minus 1 upon 25 sine 2x minus 3y plus 1 upon 4 e to the power 2y plus 1 upon this is 4, this is also be 4, so 1 upon 4 can taken be common, so e to the power 2i plus e to the power x minus y. This is the complete solution of the problem. This is the required solution of equation 1. So स्टूडेंट, आज के वीडियो लेक्चर में आपने ये पाया कि हम किस प्रकार से पहले और दूसरे केस पे प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड सॉल्व करते हैं, और अगर दोनों केस कंबाइंड गिवन हो तो हम प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे। अगले लेक्चर में हम आपको ये बताएंगे कि इसका तीसरा केस, यदि राइट हैंड साइड सिंपली फंक्शन ऑफ, इफ राइट हैंड साइड becomes like this ax plus by, so what to do, what is the working rule, and there are so many other way, this is the shortest form, हम आपको एक जनरल मेथड भी बताएंगे जिसके थ्रू आप पीआई आसानी से फाइंड कर लेंगे। ओके, आज के लेक्चर में बस इतना ही। ओके, थैंक यू।